Blue in the Big City, a story about transportation. Hi, my name is Blue. I'm a monster. I live in a big city with my family. We love to visit our friends and family. How do we get there? Sometimes I take the train to my grandparents' house. Sometimes I take the bus to school. Sometimes I take my bike to my friend's house. Sometimes we take the car and my mom drives me. My dad takes a taxi to work. And we take a rocket to visit the moon. How do you get around in your city? Do you take a train, a bicycle, a car, a taxi, a bus, or your rocket ship? Safe travels, everybody, from catteacher.com.